Welcome to Max's monthly column. This garage is like nothing you've ever seen before. The most prominent and yet understated car from this garage, to mention to anyone who knows anything about Aston Martin, is the Vantage V600, which sits in the corner peacefully. Next to this sits the yellow Lamborghini Aventador SV I featured in February's column. To the rear of the Lambo, a beautiful Ferrari 458 Speciale in red, obviously. Besides which sits the wolf in the sheep's clothing of this garage, a grey paint and carbon fibre lined Porsche GT2 RS. Next sits a car I've known since its birth at the Aston Martin factory. It's a new Vanquish S Ultimate, again laced in carbon fibre and absolutely marvellous. To complement this, there is also a previous gen DBS, specc'd to replicate the exact car used in Casino Royale. And in case this indulgent stroll through the garage hadn't offered enough to tickle your automotive G-spot, a Bentley Continental GT No. 9 sits in its beautiful gloss racing green at the far end. Walking around this space was like venturing through a gallery where automotive art sits. Part toy box, part jewellery box, it's a real experience, one which brings out the young boy in all of us.